Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve the very first problem in our DSA challenge. This is Leetcode 217, contains duplicate. It is an easy question from the array data structure. Here we have given an integer array nums. We have to return true if it contains any duplicate elements or false. Talking about the duplicate elements, there is a structure we know which doesn't allow any duplicate elements in an array. That is called set. So I'm going to make the set of given array. I'm going to name it set nums is equal to set of nums. We know that set doesn't allow any duplicate elements into the array, which means if length of both the arrays are equal, it means it doesn't contain any duplicate elements, or if it doesn't matches, it means the original array contains a duplicate elements which was not reflected in the set, which means it contains duplicate elements, so we can return true. I'm going to return by checking both the lengths. Set nums, I'm going to give not equal to length of set nums not equal to length of nums, because we have to return true if it's not equal and false if it is equal. So that's why I'm giving not equal to sign here. We can check if this runs well. Yes, that's it. This was an easy problem. I want you guys to do this problem with me and share the tips and tricks and your troubles so that I can help you guys in my next video. So meet you guys in my next lead coding sessions. Until then, bye bye.